Okay guys, so let's say you are prototyping and you are like finishing it and you need to do a handoff for the devs, for the other team, whatever. A lot of times people use components, create like arrows to connect the flows and the screens, or even to point out a description or something like that. That's okay to use a component for that, but I actually have a much better option, much easier and adaptable. So let's go. And this is actually very simple to use, but I think you have like great results with this if you know how to use it. And I mentioned that this is more adaptable, in my opinion, because it's something that follows wherever you connect that with. Let me show you. Let's go. Okay guys, so I have some screens here just to represent like a little handoff from a logging flow. So basically when you do a handoff, a lot of times you create like little arrows here to connect the screens, just to show you like, oh, if you click here, you go to this screen. If you click there, you go to that screen. So I will use this example just to show you. I also will be doing a lesson on how to create this with the fields, with the buttons and everything. Subscribe to see that. But what we wanted to do is to use an arrow, but not an arrow that we will create. Figma already have this. You can bring it from Figma. Yes, exactly. So let's go there. And I have two post-its here just to show you how it works. If you come here on your Figma, you can use this connector and you can select this, and then you can like connect something on Figma. So if I move, this arrow will move too. I don't need to kind of move this and then go to the arrow and reduce the arrow. I don't need to do that. It will like snap to something. It will kind of be attached to it. What we need to do is we can do like Ctrl X or Command X to cut this, and then we will paste it here. Okay, so now we have this fully working inside Figma to do our handoffs. So I already have one here below. I will use it and I will delete this. I will duplicate this, Ctrl D or Command D, and then we can use this to snap to any component that we have on our design. So as you can see, we have these little dots here where it will snap. And for example, if I click on this field to type information, after I finish typing it, I can like go to this screen, because it's the same screen but just with this like field with the information here. So I can put it the connection here if I want to. Or another trick, if you hold Command or Control on your keyboard, you can actually take this to wherever you want. So you don't need to snap it anywhere. You just like hold Control or Command while you drag this, and it will go wherever you want. So you're not like restricted to just snap to things. No, you can actually put it anywhere. So that's super cool and super convenient when creating handoffs. And of course, when you are creating something like this, you can name the interaction that you are doing here. You can put a text here like typing. We could have something like this just to inform what type of interaction is happening, so the developer can see this and see, oh, the user is typing here, and then after typing he is going, it will be displayed like this. And remember, the arrow like is very adaptable, so you can kind of do things with it. If I want to kind of do something like this, I can, or something like this. And of course I can move this, and if I move this frame, the arrow will always go with it. So you have this ability where you can move things around and it will follow it. Okay, because it is like snapped to something. So that's the cool thing, and that's very useful when creating handoffs. And another cool thing about this arrow is that you can tweak it a little bit. So if I select it, I have the option to change the color here, make it red, for example, if you want to. And you can change the thickness of it, and you can also change each side of it. So this side is this one, the endpoint. So we can change to this, or this, whatever. Did you know about this? If you like this, please leave a comment below, subscribe to the channel, give me a like if this helped you. And of course, if you have any questions, leave them below. If you have any other tricks that you want me to bring here, or tricks that you know that could become a video, please drop them on the comment section, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.